Hello everyone, Sheila back again. Welcome to my channel. I am having a very well-earned rest. I have been busy in my garden all day. It was such a lovely day. It was a pity to waste it. And I now have, I have just a little video to show you earlier on when I was sitting just outside having a cup of tea. I want to be having a rest, so I will show you that first, and then I'll tell you what else I've been doing in my garden. Well, I'm just sitting here having a break after my lunch, having a cup of tea. Just looking at what else I need to do in my garden. I'm going to have to get some. I've thrown the bread out for the birds on my grass. I've got a couple of sunflowers there in the pots there to put in the garden. I'm going to have to get some flowers to put in my square. The very bottom of the garden wants digging over, but you know they look lovely. I don't know what those orange flowers are. There's some buttercups and all good for the bees, but it's going to have to be dug over. And there's just grass and weeds further down. I've been digging down the bottom past where my washing's hanging out. I've planted 2 rows of peas. I dig the garden, I go by the fence posts. They're about 6 foot between the posts and the very smaller one by the gate. So I've planted about 2 rows of peas, probably about 8 foot rows. I've put some beetroot in and some carrots, and now I'm digging over the other part. It was already dug over earlier on in the year and the weeds have just taken over in this garden. But I'm digging over there, but I'm having to pull some of the bricks out I've got up against the fence because there's that many weeds and that coming in. I can't get at them. I've had to move the bricks. And then I'm going to have to pull some of my rhubarb off over there. I forgot yesterday because I was going to take some for Molly, but my friend Anne doesn't like rhubarb, so it was a waste of time for her. And my granddaughter got 2 of the crowns out of my rhubarb plant, so she's got plenty of her own now. I've got a lot more washing to hang out. And it's just a lovely hot day. At least I'll not have to water anything because it is going to chuck it down tonight, tomorrow. Pity, there's always something to spoil the lovely weather, and I need to get rid of that thing down my garden. It used to be a cold frame, but it's dropping to bits. And last year when I had some fellas in tidying up the garden, they were supposed to take that away as well, and I forgot to tell them, and they haven't been back. So I'm going to have to get rid of it myself. I'll have to catch one of the scrap men that come around and see if they can sort it for me, because it's no good. I have another one over the other side there, and that the wood is starting to rot on that one as well. My husband made them years ago. Got some more washing to hang out, so I'm going to hang out the washing first after I've had my cup of tea, and then finish the digging the garden over to put some potatoes in. I'm a bit late this year because I couldn't be bothered earlier on, but you know, when we get lovely weather like this, that gets me out in the garden. So that was just a little bit earlier on today, just after my lunch. It is now 5:15, and I finished about half an hour ago in the garden. I decided I couldn't bend over another time because I had a lot of washing and everything to do as well. And this is for Hillary's husband Ray. If you're watching, Ray, because Hillary said you like to watch my channels, and you always say to Hillary to put Sheila on so you can see what I've been up to. So I'm telling you, this is what I've been up to, Ray, in my garden today. So that little bit of video was earlier on today, and I now have 2 rows of peas, half a row of beetroot, a row of carrots, 2 rows of potatoes. So I had to dig all that over. It had been dug over earlier on in the year, so it was quite easy. It is good soil down the bottom there, and it breaks up very easy. I don't have any trouble with it. But I was taking some of the compost out of my bins and laying it on the trench I'd made for to put the potatoes in and that. But I still have one little area to dig over. I dig between the posts, and the posts are about 6 foot wide. The distance from one post to another is about 6 foot wide. So that's how I work it. When I'm doing the garden, I dig one patch like that. And that's what I did first for my peas. That didn't take much doing because I had been doing it over the last couple of weeks, taking the weeds and that out and that, and it was just ready to just rake over and put in what I was putting in the peas and that. And then I did the next part between the posts, another 6 foot. That was what I dug over to put my potatoes in. And I have one area left like that. I'm not sure whether I can't quite see from this window here, right down the bottom of the garden. But I have another part to dig over, but I just couldn't do any more today because I'm going to put some cabbages and some other things. I'll sort out, get some whatever seeds I've gotten. I think I have some spring onions, and I'm a little bit late this year with doing. I should have had all this done when we had the better weather, but I just wasn't. I have to be in the mood for gardening, and it's just like now and again that I had been doing it, and it has to be. I like to be nice and warm too, which it was today. It was just right for me today, even though I had to sit down for half an hour every so often because I just kind of do what I used to do when I was younger. I could spend all day when I was a lot younger and not have any ill effects at all. But after I've been bending down a few times, or I was putting things in the garden and up and down and up and down, I had to go and sit down for half an hour to give my back a rest. And I'm having another cup of coffee, this actually. I had a lots of washing to do as well. I wait until I've got a lot, with being by myself. Each load I put in, I wait until I've got enough for each load. So I had quite a lot to do, and I've done practically everything. I don't think there's anything left in my basket. Maybe it's my cushion covers from downstairs, I think. But I haven't been in my living room for weeks since I came up into this room. But anyway, that's what I've been doing in the garden today. And this is the first time I've picked up any knitting today. I was at my bingo last night and I took this. I think I had just started this is the second sleeve. I have all the other pieces. The back, the 2 fronts and the other sleeve. I just need to finish the sleeve and then I can put the neck on it and the bands and get it sewn up. So I took it to the bingo last night, but it was very hard to knit because it was very warm last night. My hands were sticky. Usually when I'm knitting when I'm at home and it's hot weather like this, if I'm sitting in the sun, I usually have some talcum powder I put on my hand to stop them getting so sticky and that. But never thought to take any with me last night. I didn't think it would be in that warm actually, but it was. But I won one line. I won £5 last night, so that's all me and my friend had £2.50 each. That was all. So better than nothing. He said, Pete, I just get a can of Pepsi or something like that. Whatever it's paid for that, with a little bit left over. So anyway, I'm trying to get what I can of these little ones finished. I'll put this down and So I'm on to a knit stitch. I'll put it down. I'll show you what else I've been doing. These are to sew up. I've completely finished. This is a 20-inch one. I think it's a 20-inch. I have to check. Everything's done on it. The bands and the neck band and the front bands, and that's the sleeve. That I'm trying to put the sleeve on the front. So I've got that one all finished. Just one sewing up. Naturally, the colours on there, that's for a little girl, that 20-inch one. And then I have this one. I asked everyone what they thought I should make this for a boy or a girl, and one lady did say she thought this one and the green one would be better for a boy. So that's what I've done. I've put the button, the bands, and everything on for a little boy. And that one is a 22-inch. Yes, that's a 22-inch. So that's another one that just wants sewing up. So that's all I've done of those ones. And then I'm going to start, when I finish the green one, I'm going to start on this one. This is the back I've got done. This is a 22. Yes, this is a 22. This is the pattern, the same as that one with the cables on there. It's going to have cables on the front. So I'll be finishing that one, doing all the pieces to that one. Get that 22 done. And then the 24, I'll get that one done. It's a 24-inch. It's quite fine. This wool here is a little bit finer than the other one, so it still measures the right measurements for it. It's going to be a 24-inch, that one. So as soon as I finish the blue, that stripy one, I'll be on to this one. So I'm going to finish that one completely first, and then do this one completely, and then go through my book for the other patterns that I have one or two sizes I need to do in, and that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to get all the patterns that I have done one or two sizes of, and get the rest of them sorted, and then I can get some more patterns out. That one there finishes that one. I just need to sort out to go through the pattern, all my written instructions, to see if I can see. I have to go through all my instructions first to see if I can see any mistakes, anything that I haven't wrote down properly before I start writing the pattern out, and that's what I do. But like I'm saying, it's just after 5 now, and I haven't had my tea yet. I just wanted to sit down after all the work I'd been doing. I've been just collecting a lot of the washing in off the line and that, because I wanted everything done today, because it's going to chuck it down tomorrow. According to the forecast on my phone, we could be getting thunder and lightning. I'm not sure when exactly the rain, it says for the rain. But we have a warning on my phone saying for thunderstorm tomorrow, but might not hit us. It depends whereabouts it is. But it says it's going to be a very muggy night. We are still on about 22 degrees at the moment, and that's not getting much less during the night. Until about 4 o'clock in the morning, and that's when the rain's going to start. That's why I wanted the things done in my garden as well. I don't have to water anything tonight because it's going to rain. So it's going to be a lot of heavy rain during the night and tomorrow afternoon. And there may possibly be thunderstorms. But after that, Sunday, we're getting nice weather again. Monday, it's nice. Tuesday, it's nice. That's as far as it goes on my phone, unless I go onto the Met one. This is just a local one. So it's going to be some nice weather again from Sunday, actually. It's only Saturday we're having all this rain, and so I can probably start getting back out into my garden again. It should dry out enough for me to dig over the last little patch that I want to put the seeds for the cabbages and things in. Although I think I need to put them into some compost first and maybe spring them on before I put them in. I'll just put um, the other things, the spring onion things. I'm not sure whether it's too late for spring onions actually, but I think I'm going to have a trip to the garden places and get myself some flowers for to put in my squares on my patio. And I'm going to Oh, I know what I was going to do. In fact, I may go out after my tea tonight and put some soapy water on my patio and give a hard scrub with a hard brush and see if I can get some of the muck off. Because I started doing that. There's a little patch in the middle of my patio that I put some soapy water on, hot soapy water, and that. And I was just using one of those long-handled brushes with the hard bristles on it, and I was just going backwards and forwards, and it actually cleaned it up a little bit. So I've just remembered I was going to do a bit more of that. So I think I'll do a little bit of that after tea. That's not me hard work. I'll be bending up and down that because I'll just use the brush with the long handle. I'll just be standing doing that. Anyway, that's my little bit for today. So thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you all another time. So bye for now.